In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to connect your PS5 to your TCL TV. And I'm going to show you now that I do have a TCL TV. You can see the logo right here, it's a TCL TV, and I have now connected my PS5 to it, as you can see. It was actually very easy, but I'm going to show you what you need to do. You need to, firstly, you will get two cables by PS5 most likely. So the first cable is going to look like this, which is a HDMI cable. And it needs to go about here. You can see the logo right here, and this cable, this a little bit like a bigger cable here, needs to go somewhere around here. And then it's going to go, I'm going to show you now. This was the annoying part because I had this HDMI, I think it's called HDMI, I had it right here, so I had to actually bring it like really like kind of a long way. Thankfully the cable was quite long, so it was possible. Just going to zoom in. So here it needs to go right here for me at least, and I think it's basically the same for you as well. And the other cable is going to be the power cable, which is going to be connected way down below here. As you can see, this is how it looks. So this is the power cable, and this one I just connected obviously to the power cable right here to my thing right here. I don't remember what it's called, but yeah, it's pretty obvious here. And then after you have done this, you can either go into your controller and click on the PlayStation logo on your PS5 controller, or you can just click right here, as you can see, and then you will be able to power on your PS5. Another thing that's good to know, here is my TCL remote, by the way. Let's just zoom in on it or focus on it here. And then I had to click on this button right here. So I'm going to click on it, and I had to select HDMI 1 here. So you can see HDMI 1. And this is how it actually was able to work for me. So this is how to do this.